Anu Ranjan, a very well-known personality in our TV awards function, she will speak.
Good evening, everybody. It's just that anything Mr. Reddy does, he does with fantastic style. And he does it so beautifully that there's nowhere that you can avoid being with him and agreeing to everything he says, right? Right. Right. So that now that this award, only he could think of something for such a great friend of his. And we are sure that it's going to be successful and carry on for years to come. Thank you.
Now I request you to ask any questions, clarifications.
These awards we want to preserve as being presented to icons of the film industry. Lata Mangeshkar, Amitabh Bachchan, I don't think anybody will disagree that they are icons. And the same way we hope to continue with that. So even if there's a technician who is an icon, we would definitely give the award to him.
In other words, a man who has got a stature of these two personalities, we must choose, and from any angle. Maybe artist, maybe technician, could be any music, anything else. So therefore, these 2 years, unanimously, you will feel happy that they're really icons and also versatile personalities.
Biopic on Yash Chopra ji. Any plan?
Yes, we've been thinking about it, and it's not been decided as yet. But I'm sure at some stage we will make a biopic on him.
So when it happens, who would you like to see play the role of Yash ji?
I don't think it'll be a biopic like that. As I told you, nothing has been decided as yet. I'm so sorry, but I can't answer that question. Chopra? Well, I mean, I don't know what his family has decided, his immediate family, but we don't have any plans because I think Ravi, unfortunately, was unwell in the prime of his life. And he didn't achieve all that he could have achieved. So, I don't know. I'm not too sure. I'm sure that his wife and his 2 boys will want to do something, but I'm not aware of what they want to do as yet.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. First of all, I am very happy to be a part of this occasion because as Yash ji is my favorite director. So my question is to you, Hema ji. आपने यश जी के साथ काम किया है, त्रिशूल, जोशीले और भी कई मूवी. तो यश जी के साथ काम करने का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसे रहा और कितने अलग है यश जी एज डायरेक्टर फ्रॉम अदर डायरेक्टर्स, आपसे पूछे तो.
मैं कहूँगी कि इतनी ज़्यादा फिल्मों में नहीं किया उनके साथ, सिर्फ सिवाय 2 फिल्मों में जो भी एक्सपीरियंस था बहुत ही अच्छा रहा. He's such a very particular about certain thing. I really enjoyed working with him. He's definitely different from others. The way he picturizes the songs and other thing. I wish I had worked with him more to understand and enjoy, but very less. And my roles were not that big in the films, 2 films which I did. So I wish I had more opportunity to work with him. I could not get that. It's unfortunate.
So, Reddy, will you be associated with Yash Raj in the future also as a co-producer or a producer?
Something more smiling, interacting with the media. How come this change?
Yes, I know. I'm sure you must have noticed it. Earlier on, I was not very media friendly, I must admit. And there were reasons for that, because I felt that I was not a celebrity. My husband was. My son was. So it's better that they face the media. But after my husband passed away, people were still honoring him, awarding him, remembering him, making memorials for him. So, and my sons are extremely media shy. So much so that when I asked them that please, now you should be in the forefront, they said, no mom, you go, but we are not going. So I had to, it was not by choice, I had to do that. Because I did not want that an award should be announced in my husband's name and nobody's there or somebody insignificant to receive it. So I started going. And then when you go, all these awards, honors, everything like today's press conference is a media event. So that's why you see me a little more comfortable in front of the cameras.
Probably we all are loving seeing you smiling and speaking to us.
Yes, as I said, I'm much more comfortable now.
Can we see in coming days Mr. Aditya Chopra coming out and speaking to us?
No. I can tell you that categorically he will not.
But could you request him to pose once with Miss Rani Mukherjee once so that we can at least establish that they are together?
I don't know. I know one thing that he would not do it. But Rani is a fantastic influence on him. If you convince Rani, maybe she can convince him.
तो मैम एक काम करता हूँ मैं यश राज स्टूडियो में आता हूँ आपके साथ रानी से बात करते हैं
नहीं I'm sorry. आप रानी से बात करिए. Maybe she can convince him.
For sure, next time.
Okay.
मैम एक चीज हमने सुना है कि यश जी की जो यादें हैं स्मरण है उनके जीवन का वो रानी से उन्होंने शेयर की
ऐसा नहीं है कि हम रानी से शेयर किए हैं. Yes, there is a plan to come out with a book on him, but it seems to be taking very long. So we'll have to talk to the writer and find out whether she's really interested in doing it or not.
पर होगा ना ये होगा मतलब होगा पक्का होगा.
हाँ, अगर वो नहीं करेगी तो कोई और करेगी. Okay. कोई और करेंगे पर होगा किताब तो जरूर निकलेगी.
सिमी जी थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू सो मच. सिमी जी एंड हिमा जी आप लोग क्या कर लिख रहे हैं जब से दोनों हंस रहे हैं मंद मंद आप लोग कुछ लिख रहे हैं ना जब से पर एक ही आंखों में हंस रहे हैं आप कुछ जी.
हेमा जी ने मेरी डॉगी की स्केच बनाई है.
मैम कुड यू जस्ट शो अस कि हाउ फैंटास्टिक एक्टर यू. ओह वाओ तालियां चारों तरफ.
तो फिर मैंने भी एक स्केच बनाई साथ में और मैं हमेशा हाफ फेस बनाती हूँ पता नहीं क्यों तो मैंने हाफ फेस बनाई.
तो ये हेमा जी का फेस है.
ये पता नहीं किसका एक इमेजिनेशन का फेस है लेकिन ये दिस आई ऑलवेज ड्रॉ बट आई डोंट नो इफ हेमा जी ऑलवेज ड्रॉज माय डॉग.
यू फैंटास्टिक लाइक आर्टिस्ट. हेमा जी आप
We are good friends. We've known each other for a long time. And jab bhi we meet, she's a very bad influence on me. She makes me laugh. She does all these little things.
Okay. हेमा जी सब यहाँ पे जानना चाहते हैं कि धर्मेंद्र साहब को भी ये अवार्ड अगले साल मिलेगा या नहीं.
हम कुछ
जूरी में है घर की बात है.